In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok. TikTok doesn't offer a built-in option to delete all reposts in one tap, but you can request TikTok support team to do it for you. Here's how. Open TikTok and go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Now, go to Creation, Saving Videos, Issues with Saved Videos. When asked, tap No to say the answer wasn't helpful. Then, tap Need More Help. Now, you're in the help box. Type I want to delete all my reposts. Tap Send. If you receive an automated response, reply with No, Yes, and No. This helped trigger the ticket submission option. Once you submit a ticket option appears, tap it. Type this message. Hi TikTok support team, I have too many reposted videos on my account and I would like to delete all of them at once. Please help me with this request. Then tap submit. Wait for a few days. TikTok support team will review your request and if approved, remove all your posts from your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.